Excel Academy's college counseling program. Every year we have students go off to elite colleges such as Ivy League colleges like Harvard and Yale, other colleges such as Stanford and MIT, but also we've seen students grow and become more confident about who they are and what they want in life. So we actually have students who have reached out to us as far away as New York. We had our director receive a phone call from a student in New York. She found that the Excel Academy program here was very successful compared to college counseling programs in New York. Excel Academy's college counseling is valuable because we offer a uniquely tailored approach that directly matches your student's needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all. We make sure that we're listening to your student and addressing exactly what they need to succeed in college. There are many benefits to working with us through the Excel Academy College Counseling Program. We help you brainstorm and edit your essays. We can help you create your own resume or even personalized website. We can help you prepare for interviews, and we can even help you finalize the list of colleges that would be the best fit for you.